got to rise above. This is a woman's world. This is a woman's world. Tell the truth. Hello?
Hi, it's Kylie.
Who?
Minogue.
Oh, hi, Danny. How the hell are you?
No, it's Kylie, Danny's sister.
Oh, I'm pretty sure Danny would have told me if she had a sister.
I'm 4 years older.
Well, if you say so, honey. It must have been tough growing up with a famous sister. It's probably why you never went into show business.
Actually, I did.
Uh-huh.
I'm a singer.
Uh-huh. What did you sing?
Locomotion, spinning around on a night like this.
Keep going. Maybe there's one I've heard of.
All the lovers, hand on your heart. Can't get you out of my head.
What?
Can't get you out of my head.
Oh, that's really sweet, honey, but I'm not into women.
That's the name of one of my songs.
Uh-huh. What else have you done?
Well, I was in Doctor Who.
Doctor what?
No, Doctor Who.
How should I know?
What?
I thought you said who.
I did Doctor Who.
No, you just said what.
Why would I say what when it's who? Doctor Who.
He's your doctor. How should I know his name?
That is his name.
What?
No, who? I just told you.
When?
Just now.
Your doctor's called just now?
Oh, for Christ's sake, I give up.
So you're a quitter. I guess that's why Danny never mentioned you.
Who was on the phone?
Kylie Minogue.
Oh, I love Kylie. You know, she's always looked up to me.
Oh, honey, she's 4 foot tall. She looks up to everyone.